Welcome to Business Education and Research. In this video, we will demonstrate how to calculate simple interest with practical example. What is simple interest? Simple interest is calculated on the initial principal amount deposited or borrowed. The formula for calculating simple interest is equal to I is equal to P into R into T, where P is equal to principal amount, that is the money deposited in a bank or borrowed from a lender. R is equal to interest rate, that is the percentage rate charged or provided by the bank. T is equal to time period in years, the duration for which the money is deposited or borrowed. So stay tuned as we break down this with step-by-step practical example. Let us try to understand the calculation of simple interest by solving a numerical question. The question is here. Mr. Jayesh deposit 5,000 in savings account that offers an interest rate of 5% per year. How much interest he will earn for 3 years or for 18 months. So this part of the question has two components. First, we have to calculate what is going to be the interest for 3 years investment and what is going to be the interest for 18 months investment. So let us calculate the interest for 3 years option. Using the simple interest formula, namely I is equal to P into R into T, where P is equal to 5,000, that is principal amount, R is equal to 5% or 0.05 annual rate of interest. T is equal to time, that is number of years of investment. So let us calculate the interest for 3 years. I is equal to 5,000, that is principal amount, multiplied by 0.05, that is interest rate of 5%, into T, that is time period of investment 3. You get an interest rate of 750. So if the investor makes the investment for 3 years, the total amount of interest on such 3 years investment period is 750. Then second option is holding the investment for 18 months. Instead of 3 years, if he goes for 18 months investment, what is going to be the interest? So since 18 months is equal to 1.5 years, let us calculate the interest amount. I is equal to 5,000 into 0.05. Principal amount is same. Interest rate is also same, that is 0.05, that is 5%. But the time period here is not 3 years, but 1.5 years. 18 months is converted as number of years, that comes to 1.5. So the interest amount is calculated as 375. So the total amount of interest earned in 18 months is 375. Now let us consider another example of calculating simple interest. The question here is, Mr. Karthik deposits rupees 8,000 in a fixed deposit account at an annual simple interest rate of 6%. How much interest will he earn in 4 years' time? Let us see the solution. Using the simple interest formula, that is I is equal to P into R into T. I is equal to interest amount, P is equal to principal amount of 8,000, and R is equal to 6%, that is 0.06 interest rate, and T is equal to time period of investment, that is 4 years. So therefore, I is equal to 8,000 multiplied by 0.06 multiplied by 4, that is 4 years. You get an answer of 1,920. So 1,920 is the interest amount on his deposit of 8,000, which is earning interest rate of 6%. The investment holding period is 4 years.